Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to my channel, Captain Tanya Chaudhary. So, little disclaimer, I am not a captain. It's just the word which I use to explain that I'm the captain of my ship. So that's it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about certain books which are life-changing books. I feel like you should read books, not just you want to make sure कि सबको पता चले I read books. But you should read books not just to gain the or to grab the content of the book, but to make sure that you are conceptually clear when it comes to understanding of the academic books. So there are certain books which are not highlighted in the market or they are underrated books, but those books are actually worth of your time. Number one is The Land Laws. This book of land law is not a normal book. This book is in the format of question and answer, and you can see in pointers. So this way you can actually make sure that you're getting everything in form of answers, and all those little concepts which you miss maybe when you read a book, that can covered very well in this book. Now let's come to the second and I feel the most underrated book of the time. Shamsul Huda, Law of Crimes. Like, this book is a bible for crime, principles of crime. So whosoever is very much disinterested or thinks that you don't understand actually the principle, our principles are very easy, they don't have anything much about to even think or to research, like actus reus, mens rea, isse alawa hai kya. But if you start reading this book, you'll understand कि बहुत कुछ है इस किताब के अंदर. Now comes the third. This book is Oxford India publication. So this is the Grammar of Caste. This is not a normal book, not a academic book, normal academic book. ऐसा कोर्स में नहीं मिलेगी आपको कभी भी, but this is an amazing read. Well researched book and how economic discrimination is there in the contemporary India. This book is one of the most amazing book which is written by Ashwini Deshpande, and I would highly suggest you to read this book. Now I'll show you my personal favorite book. So this is The Indian Constitution by Granville Austin. This book is amazing read, and I feel like this book is something which even Pawan Rile sir mentioned in one of his video, and I also agree to him to all the extent when he explained about books and what kind of books a law student should read in first or second year. And I feel this book can create a lot of ground understanding for any of the fresher who is there at the law school. Now the last book but not the least, The Court on Trial. I feel like this is one of those books जिसको खोल करके आपको एक पन्ना रखना पड़ेगा, अपने नोट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज एक डेटा ड्रिवन अकाउंट है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, जिसके अंदर इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से डिफरेंट केस लॉस को डिफाइन करा है. और नॉट जस्ट लाइक केस लॉ को डिफाइन करा है, एक जूरिस्प्रूडेंस है, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि किस तरीके से लॉ इज अ टूल टू social engineering, how law can be a tool to change the society at large. So that's it for today. Like, these were my suggestions, and you can comment down and write your own suggestion and perspective अगर आपने कोई भी ऐसी बुक पढ़ी है. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.